Welcome back to Autos Play, the home for everything on four wheels where passion meets innovation. And today we are diving into one of the most astonishing automotive creations of the future, the 2026 LaFerrari Motorhome. This masterpiece redefines what luxury travel and automotive engineering can achieve, blending Ferrari's legendary performance DNA with the comfort of a high-end motorhome. The 2026 LaFerrari Motorhome carries forward the design legacy of Ferrari, but this time on a much larger scale. At first glance, the exterior boasts an aerodynamic silhouette inspired by Ferrari's racing heritage, sculpted with flowing lines, sharp curves, and active aerodynamic flaps to optimize airflow and stability. The signature Ferrari red paint, paired with carbon fiber detailing and sleek LED matrix headlights, creates a futuristic and aggressive presence on the road. The grille has been reshaped to accommodate larger air intakes, ensuring that the massive powertrain remains cool during long drives, while adaptive LED taillights extend across the rear, giving the motorhome a striking road presence even at night. Its structure is built on an ultralight carbon fiber reinforced chassis, combined with aluminium framing, making it surprisingly light for its size while still incredibly strong. The motorhome sits on 22-inch forged alloy wheels with performance Pirelli tires, engineered to provide stability across highways, mountain routes, and long-distance touring. Active suspension with Ferrari's magnet or geological dampers ensures a silky smooth ride regardless of terrain, while rear-wheel steering and an advanced stability system guarantee maximum agility, even for a vehicle of this scale. Technology plays a crucial role in the 2026 LaFerrari Motorhome. It comes equipped with Ferrari's next-gen infotainment system, offering a massive 17-inch central display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice command integration, and augmented reality navigation. The driver is assisted by a suite of sensors and cameras, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and Ferrari's proprietary driver assistance AI, designed to make long journeys safer and more enjoyable. An advanced vehicle-to-everything (V2X) communication system ensures connectivity with smart roads and traffic networks, reducing travel time and improving efficiency. Energy management is another highlight, with Ferrari integrating solar panels on the motorhome's roof to supplement the hybrid system, powering secondary functions like climate control and entertainment without relying solely on the main engine. The LaFerrari Motorhome also features fast charging ports for F-compatibility and auxiliary battery storage, ensuring off-grid camping is never a challenge. Stepping inside reveals where Ferrari truly redefines the meaning of luxury in a motorhome. The interior is crafted with a blend of premium Italian leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and sustainable wood trims. Ambient lighting is customizable, creating the perfect atmosphere for relaxation or entertainment. The living area includes an automated lounge with reclining seats, a hidden 65-inch LED display, a premium surround sound audio system, and voice-activated climate controls. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances such as an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave oven, and even a built-in espresso machine inspired by Ferrari's Italian heritage. A spacious dining area folds out seamlessly, maximizing the living experience without compromising driving dynamics. The sleeping quarters feature a luxury king-size bed with memory foam, climate-controlled bedding, and smart glass windows that can transition from transparent to opaque for privacy at the touch of a button. The bathroom showcases a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and automated cleaning systems, making it feel more like a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. At the heart of the 2026 LaFerrari Motorhome lies its extraordinary engine. Ferrari equips it with a hybrid V12 powertrain producing an astonishing 1,100 horsepower, paired with an electric motor for additional torque and efficiency. This setup allows the motorhome to accelerate with breathtaking performance while maintaining eco-conscious efficiency. The dual-clutch transmission ensures smooth power delivery, and regenerative braking feeds energy back into the hybrid system. Despite being a luxury motorhome, it can sprint like a supercar, bridging two worlds that were never meant to meet: a Ferrari performance and home-like comfort. The 2026 LaFerrari Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of engineering brilliance, redefining what travel, comfort, and performance can mean in the future of mobility. Don't forget to subscribe Autos Play for more latest automotive updates.